This is a demonstration of me replacing a coax lead on a switch. Already cut the old one off. This is the remnants of it here. So the first thing you got to do is get the old solder off. Use a couple of different techniques for that. First one is solder pullet, solder sucker, whatever you want to call this tool. Get a large majority of it off usually. And then, I haven't got most of it off, but then depending on how the wire is soldered on, what type of wire it is, making sure not to oh dang, you can't see. Making sure not to burn any other wires in the process or burn the connector up. Stranded wire, which makes it a little more difficult because of the strands. So that's out with the old. Now what's going in that's new, the single conductor. Not a lot of room to work in here. Now sometimes I'll fold the wire over inside the terminal, depending on what I'm doing. If I'm not going to solder it immediately, I will almost always. If, like in this case, I need wire to be stuck, no reason why the mechanical connection on this wire. A lot of people think that you do. Personally think you do not. As long as it's soldered well. No cold solder joint, nice and shiny. I think that'll work.